It is not compulsory, but I am writing here program to calculate area of circle. Okay. Now hash include stdio.h, standard input output file, then main function. Then now since we know that area of circle is pi r square, okay, so we need value of r here, and pi is universal. So this pi we are not supposed to take from user, so we are defining its value here. So for that define hash define pi, that is word that we are giving uh, as a variable name. Okay, so pi, so here hash define pi and then space and value. So in our program now, whenever pi comes, at that time it will take value 3.14 automatically. Okay, since this is universal. Okay, so everywhere it is considered as 3.14, so we are defining it here. So this is called symbolic constant definition. Now we are going to have idea about new data type, that is float. Okay, so here r comma area. So we have created two variables, that is r for radius and area. So area we are supposed to calculate here. Then printf value of r we are going to take from user. Quotes between quotes print enter value of r. So user is supposed to get this sentence first, enter value of r, and user will type some value. And that value we are going to read by this. This is format specification percent %f. Okay, for float. When you use float data type, at that time format specification is percent %f. And then the value entered by user, where do you want to store it, that is ampersand r. Okay, and now area is equal to pi into r into r. This is pi r square. Okay, now this pi will be replaced by this value. Okay, and this r whatever value user is going to give, and then printf area is percent %f. Okay, now here user is going to get this sentence area is, and in place of this percent %f he will get value that we want to show. So value of area is stored where, in this variable area. So write that name here, area. Okay, after this comma, then semicolon, return 0. Okay, now save this file. For example, I am going to give it name circle.c. Now we are going to terminal to get its output. So using clear command, I have cleared previous output. So now this terminal screen is blank. Here GCC command to compile our program, circle.c, that the name I have given to this file. Okay, now it is showing no error. And now dot /a dot out to get output of this program. Okay, here enter value of r. So it is asking user to enter value. Say for example, user is giving value 4. Okay, this 4 can be centimeter or millimeter or inches, whatever. Okay, now you can get it. Area is 50.24000. Now since we have used float data type, so we are getting value in this form 50.2400002. Now suppose we want to modify the output to make it more meaningful. Area is this, but area of what amount of radius, that we want to show here. So let's modify the program again. Now here we are supposed to change something. Area of radius percent f is percent f. So here we have modified this statement. Area of radius percent f is percent f. So here two values we are supposed to show. The first value is of radius and second value is of area. So in this sequence of only we are supposed to write here two variable names. So area of radius percent f is percent f. So comma r comma area. Okay. So again I am saving this file and now terminal to see the new output. Okay, now again the same gcc circle dot c. Okay, no error. Now dot slash d dot out. Enter value of radius. Now I am giving the same value for. Now it is showing us area of radius for is 50.2400002. So this way we can modify the output statement, that is print statement.